Hey guys, Tanome Jackson from Zaapi here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect to Zaapi app on the mobile app from the website. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys. So now you're looking at the Zaapi website here on the mobile view. All you got to do is scroll down to the very bottom where it says download mobile app right here. All right, then you will be taken to your respective app stores, iOS or Android. I'm on iOS, so I'm just going to go there. And because I already have the Zaapi app downloaded, all I have to do is just hit open right here. Then you will be prompted to log in with your email or password rather. I'm going to do that. Once you're inside, this will be a condensed version of the Zaapi app compared to the web app because this is just designed for you to be able to answer people on the go. You can set yourself as away, as you can see right here, or you can respond to people in the chats as they come along. All right, see you guys on the other side. Thank you.